Hi everyone, this is Susie. Today we're going to talk about Syngonium plants. Arrowhead plants are available in a wide range of colors. The foliage changes in shape as the plant ages. If you leave it unpruned, it can grow about 6 feet long and look very beautiful. You can have it climb or cascade down a hanging basket, or keep it pruned and have it extra bushy. This one here is a berry illusion. It's got the veins, like the berry colored veins going through the leaves. This one here I have in water. This is a Glo-go Syngonium. Very pretty. Got it in water. That was given to me. This was given to me. This is cut from a long vine. Emerald green. The leaves are different, like an emerald green color. Watering your Syngoniums or arrowhead plants. Allow to dry out partially between waterings. Don't let your Syngonium dry out for too long between waterings. The lower leaves will dry up and turn brown and wilt. When this happens, soak the plant. Let the plant rehydrate. Let the water drain out well. Don't let set in the water too long. It will cause root rot. Overwatering will cause the tips of the leaves to turn brown, soft, and limp. So be careful with overwatering. Let it dry out at least halfway between waterings. Low light to bright light. These plants can stand low light, but they can grow faster in medium to bright indirect light. Bright light is best to keep the leaves having beautiful colors. So I keep it in bright light, LED light on my desk, a lamp. So far it's been doing pretty well. Or filtered light from the sun. You don't want it to get directly in the sun. It'll scorch the leaves. You can propagate, just cut at the joint, root in water, and watch the roots grow. And you can put it in some potting soil after that and transplant it. There's so many pretty varieties of Syngoniums. I like this one here, it's so pretty. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I will answer them for you. And I want to thank you all so very much for watching. Bye-bye for now.